Assalamu alaikum scholars. Today's lecture is about how to conduct the confirmatory factor analysis in MO software, how to show the model fitness by using the MO software. Scholars, you are requested to please see our previous lecture in which we told you how to draw these models in SPSS in MO software and how to insert the data from SPSS to MO software for statistical analysis to conduct the CFA and to conduct the SEM. So this is a lecture about how to report the values and how to conduct the CFA. When you have inserted the data here in your model and you need to click on estimates, the estimate button after performing the analysis show you the results. So these are the correlation among the variables. The values of the correlation must be below 0.85. So all the values are acceptable and values are below 0.85. I also want to show you what you can show in your thesis or in your paper to justify the model fitness. There are 6 to 5 values: chi-square divided by degree of freedom, RMS EA, CFI, NFI, GFI, AGFI. So these values must be under the threshold values. What are the threshold value? Cutoff criteria is value of the chi-square and degree of freedom must be or equal to 5 or below 5. RMS EA must be below 0.08. Ideally it should be below 0.05. CFI below 0.09, NFI below 0.09, GFI below 0.8, AGFI below 0.8. So these values you need to show that, which confirm that your model is fit to perform the SEM. While using the MO software, first you need to show that your model is fit and then you need to conduct the SEM. So before conducting the SEM, this is a pre-stage to show the model fitness. In model fitness, I have already told you, you need to show the value of chi-square divided by degree of freedom, RMS EA, CFI, NFI, GFI and AGFI. And the cutoff criteria is also given here, you can see it. So when you perform the results by click on this button, then this button will be active. Earlier this was not active, this was hidden. You would not be able to click on this button, but when you perform the analysis, this button will be active for you to see the results. And now you can use view text button to see the values. This is the value of chi-square and this is the value of degree of freedom. Click on model fit button here, model fit. It can show you the chi-square divided by degree of freedom value is given here, value of GFI is given here, AGFI is given here, NFI is given here, IFI is given here, TLI is given here and CFI is given here. There are many values which might be you have not need to report in the paper, but MOS will show you all these values. You need to show only these values for model fitness: chi-square divided by degree of freedom, RMS EA, CFI, NFI, GFI and AGFI. There are other values as well, but you need to ignore these values. So this is a place where chi-square divided by degree of freedom value is given here, GFI is given here, AGFI is given here, TLI is given here and CFI is given here. So you can see at the bottom that the value of RMS EA is given here. As per these results, data is not fit and my model is not fit according to the threshold values, but today's lecture is about how to show these values, where these values are placed. In my next lecture, I will tell you how to treat the data. Please see my next lecture, how to treat the data if the results are not comes under the threshold values. So how you can treat the data to get the results into threshold values. So this lecture is just about to show you how to conduct the CFA. You can simply copy paste these values in your worksheet or in your MS Word file. So this is the cutoff criteria. You can put the actual values here, which can show, and on the basis of which you can show you that your model is fit and you are allowed to proceed further for the SEM. When your values comes under these threshold values, you will be allowed to perform the SEM, but if your values are not come under these threshold values, you are not allowed to perform the SEM on the basis of this data. This is all about today's lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. How to conduct the SEM in SPSS? You need to please, in AMO software, you need to please see our next lecture. Allah Hafiz. Shukriya.